Introduction to Managing Multiple Languages in Mondly.
Mondly is a popular language learning app that makes it easy to study more than one language at a time. Whether you're a beginner or working on several languages, understanding how to add, switch, and track your progress will ensure you get the most from your experience. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the key steps to manage multiple languages within the app.
Adding a new language in Mondly.
To start learning a new language, open the Mondly app and log in. Look for the menu or gear icon, usually found in the corner. Tap on Change Language or Add Language. Browse the list of available languages. Select your desired one and confirm. Mondly will set up lessons for your chosen language, ready for you to begin.
Switching between languages.
If you want to alternate between languages, return to the language selection menu within Mondly. You'll see the languages you've added. Tap the language you wish to study next. Mondly will update your dashboard to show lessons and activities for that language, making it simple to switch as often as you like.
Tracking your progress in each language.
Mondly tracks your achievements separately for each language. Progress indicators, such as streaks, daily goals, or skill completion percentages, update according to the language you are working on. To view your progress, open the main menu and check the Statistics or Progress section while the desired language is active.
Tips for efficient multilingual learning in Mondly.
Balancing multiple languages. To stay organized, dedicate specific days or time blocks to each language and make use of Mondly's reminders. Reviewing your progress for each language helps maintain your motivation and track improvement. Remember, switching languages regularly is easy and supports your language learning goals within Mondly.